Guys, welcome to my channel. How are you all? How is everybody doing at the moment? Being stuck at home? Are you a key worker? Are you out working and helping everybody? Or are you just doing your bit, staying at home and social distancing? Ben is a key worker. He's working from home, but he also has to go out sometimes. Me and the girls and Fox, we just stay here unless we have to go to the shops. And by we, I mean me. The kids don't go out, they just stay here. Anyway, this unboxing was meant to happen ages ago, but it's just been crazy busy trying to homeschool the kids and get stuff done. And I'm very excited. It's Box of Goth. And this is their, I think it's their March. I don't know what box it is, but we're just gonna have a look. It's an unboxing of Box of Goth. Ooh, so the Box of Goth is a monthly subscription box of gothic goodies, and we've had loads of different themes. We've had like the Addams Family, Black, Kings of Horror, Queens of Horror, the Witches, which was the maze balls. It was so good. Box of Goth do send me this as a present because they're lovely, and I think they want more brownies. I've become good friends with Nikki and Lucy, who own Box of Goth. I used to buy this for myself all the time, and I still do when I can afford to. I do buy it for myself because I love it. It's one of my favourite unboxings. Literally all the stuff on here, apart from the dolls. The dolls look like they could be from Box of Goth. All like, I've got badges everywhere and little, there's lots of things, all from Box of Goth. And I just love it. But they do send me them as presents because they're lovely, and I send them things to eat. So yeah, I will link it down below where you can get it. I think I've got a discount code still. I'll put that on the screen as well for you guys. Please excuse my fucking awful hair. I look like, Ben keeps calling me Lucy Exotic, as in Joe Exotic from the Tiger King. It's not saying like this. I am in the process of doing some shit to it, more shit to it, but yeah. So let's get in. I'm excited. It comes in these beautiful boxes, which I've got loads up there. Let's have a look. Ooh. What have we got in here? Oh look, this is from Accessory Cemetery. This is a little tiny display case, and it's got, I don't know what, I have to look what there is, a little leaflet to tell me what it is. I might have to find it in a minute, but it's a little, like there's bones in there, like skulls of some kind of animal. Accessory Cemetery actually sent me a box of goodies the other day, and that is like 2 little mouse heads. I just love it. So I've got a little one of those. That is super cute. It's just got really bright outside all of a sudden, but the sky is black as anything. So it looks like it's going to chunk it down. We'll see. It will literally just, the light will change here in a minute. You probably won't be able to see me, but we're just going to carry on. So, oh, jawline jewellery as well. So we've got a jawline jewellery sticker, which is going to go on my fridge. And then this says, thank you for your support. It gives us energy. So it's a little box. I don't know what's a little bag. I don't know what's in it. Oh, it's a little crystal. Look. How beautiful is that? I love crystals. I've got quite a lot of rose quartz and a few other little ones, but that's beautiful. I have to see what that is. I love it. You can go on there and give me energy when I need it, when the kids are testing me, when I'm trying to homeschool a 4-year-old and a 5-year-old. So we've got a thing from Jawline Jewellery. So that was their original logo. And now it says turn over for the new look. How smart is that? Because they do things with baby arms and eyes. I've got some really cool rings and a necklace from Jawline Jewellery. So let's see what else we've got in here. What are you? Oh my god, I don't even know what this is. Look, she's beautiful. It's got pipe cleaners and it's like a little baby spider head. Oh my god, I love her. She's amazing. Look, I could make it so she looks like she's got my head. Hello, welcome to the video. Oh, she's amazing. I love her. Right, let me find a thing to tell us what we're actually getting in here, because I'm not being very good at the moment. Okay, so baby doll with legs. We love her. Oh, she's got a squishy head. Squishy head. Where's the... bone graveyard is what the accessory cemetery thing is called. A bone graveyard. I love that. Okay, next up, Jawline Jewelries thing. We've got a pin for our coat. They do these so it's like an eye and then it opens. And it shuts and then it opens. I love, love, love that. I've got so many pins I need to put on a coat. I need like a really cool black denim jacket. And I've just got like probably 40 pins I need to put on it. But I want to lose weight. I'm in the process of losing weight. So I don't want to buy a coat and then it'd be too big. So I kind of just want to wait until I'm a little bit smaller. So next up, what of my key? Oh, it's just an antique key. A little key. Ooh, got some little feathers. The girls are gonna steal these. Pretty is that one. Beautiful. What are you? I'll get something wrapped up here. I need my shark tooth. I'll try and be a bit careful. I don't want to break it, whatever's inside it. The girls are in the other room at the minute eating brownies, testing out a recipe. And I obviously can't really post food to the girls at Box of Goth at the moment because of the stupid fucking coronavirus. Oh, it's a shell. A batwing shell. Oh, it's beautiful. What does it say? It's got a little bit of paper. It says Voluta vespertillo linnae seashell, aka the batwing shell because of their spooky bat-like markings. So cool, look. So pretty. I'm terrified of real bats. Like, I'm very much like Ace Ventura. I don't like them at all, but bat things, dead bats. I've got a dead bat over there on the wall. I love, just not when they're alive and flapping at me, but I'm scared of birds, so that might be potato. Right, what have we got now? This is a fossil classified as echinoid. Sand dollars are flat, round marine animals related to sea urchins. Ooh, good job. This is a little, you see the pattern on it? Let me see if I can get him out. What's that? Something just fell. That was just Aria coming in with her plate. I don't know how to open this. I'm not going to open it. But it's a sand dollar. I'll take a picture of it and put it on the screen if I can. Let me see if I can get it to focus. You sort of see the outline of it there. That's really cool. Found in sandy sediments, oceans throughout the world. The spines are removed on the shell we see. Super cool. Okay, I've got a cross. A little wooden cross. We've got a little, this says Cretaceous and Morocco. What is this? What is this? It's wrapped up. I don't know why I'm whispering. Ooh, what are you? What is this? What is it? Oh, it's a shark tooth. Oh, that's cool. That's a little shark tooth. I say little, the size of it's massive. So that can go in there, and then you can see it in its little display case. What are you? A two-faced skull. That's awesome. I've got loads of cards everywhere like this, just all stuck over my bedroom wall of like Wednesday Addams and stuff that I've got from here. There's a poem, Face by Violet Vixen. I lay on my back in my bed looking at my ceiling. It's disturbing how it resembles my face more than my own reflection does. Cracks showing through, noting the wear and tear this body has felt. So much pain, too much sorrow. My face is falling off piece by piece. And I think to myself, maybe I need a fresh coat of paint. I feel like that. I'm knackered. 3 babies. That's really cool. What are you? I'm gonna scare the kids with that later. So mean. I'll put it on my Instagram. What are you? Ooh, I've got a skull. Love skulls. That's another theme in my house. Skulls everywhere. I've got a big wooden one. I've got skull tattoos. There's a skull there. There's a antlers there. There's just skulls everywhere. He can go up there. He's really cool. And then the last thing looks like a necklace and it looks like it's fucking amazing. I don't know what that voice was. That was very excited. I can't get it out. Get out of the bag. Get out of the bag and see it's a baby. I love it. Oh my god, I love it. It's a baby on a chain. That is amazing. Are you gonna focus on that? There you go, baby on a chain. I love it. Oh, thank you so much, girls. That's amazing. I absolutely think this is my favourite. This and this and these. Really like them. Yeah. So that was box of Goth. I'm sorry it's taken me so long to unbox this. I am just, I don't have an excuse. I'm just crap. And I have 3 babies to look after, 2 of whom need homeschooling, and the other one just needs me to hold him all the time because he's a wiggly little fart face. He's only 7 months old, so yeah. Yeah, if you guys like these videos, please do give this one a big fat thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. I do usually do sort of 3 videos a week, but since Fox was born, who is my youngest, I've just been a bit slack, to be honest. So I'm trying to get back on it. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all very, very soon. Bye guys.